May mga worries lang ako sa mga testimony ni Kerwin Espinosa. Considering that he testified in the Senate and now he's testifying in the House of Representatives. And then basically, Kerwin, you are testifying now under oath that yung mga sinabi mo sa Senado, some of those were not true because you were under duress. Am I correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And including on those testimonies, if I'm not mistaken, a while ago, I was able to find out kay Colonel Marcos that in the Senate, you mentioned 3 million and here you mentioned 4 million. Is that correct?
Ang sinabi ko sa Senate, 4 million.
Hindi 3 million?
Hindi.
So,
Hindi po, Mr.
Colonel
Chair.
Marcos is lying. Wait, Colonel Marcos is lying.
Opo.
So, Colonel Marcos, you are under oath. You are lying under oath in here.
Yes, sir. I have a record here on the Senate proceedings. Nakasave po sa cellphone ko. Ang sinabi niya, 3 million. Dalawang 1.5 million. Hindi po ako nagsisinungaling, Mr. Chair.
Will you confirm that, Kerwin?
Basta ang sinabi ko sa Senado, 4 million.
Can you kindly submit that to us para at least to test the credibility
Nandito
of all
po,
those? What we wanted to find out in here is that we want to test the credibility of all the resource persons that we are inviting. We are not telling you, Kerwin, that the totality of your affidavit is wrong right now in here. But we wanted to find out the veracity of all those statements that you have mentioned, because the credibility of this Quadcom is at stake in here. And that's the reason why we wanted to know yung validity ng lahat ng sinasabi mo. Considering also that you have filed your certificate of candidacy to run for the mayor of Albuera. Di ba?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
And at the same time, the reason why you appear in this hearing is to seek justice.
Yes po, exactly.
What is your priority? What is your priority? Running as a mayor or seeking the truth for your father?
Hustisya po para sa papa ko. Kaya kong talikuran yang politika.
So in other words, in seeking the truth and to prioritize in finding out the truth about the death of your father, you're willing to not to run anymore.
Yes po.
So, are you willing to withdraw your
I am willing to withdraw.
sa paglaban mo ng mayor?
Opo.
Because hindi mo kami masisisi dito, Kerwin, kung mag-iisip kami na may halong politika ang lahat ng ginagawa mo. And that's the reason why ako very what you call this, medyo adamant ako sa intention mo on going in here. But most likely, if you're going to tell us that you're going to withdraw yung paglaban sa mayor, somehow baka ako mismo maniwala ako sa mga sinasabi mo. But that will be based on all the answers that you will be giving us on the questions that I'll be asking.